Alright, so I'm still working on polishing this windshield up. You can kind of see some of the water spots right here down this side. That's not even the bad part. Some of that's already kind of been polished out. It's kind of over here where it's kind of hazy. Over here you can see it's a little bit better, but it needs some work. So go around. This is the passenger side or the driver's side. It's kind of hard to tell how much work has been done on it. But if we go back to where it's really bad, which is here, that's what it looked like before. That's not compound. That's just old water spots. So that's before, this after. There's still some on there. It's etched in there, so I'm gonna try again to hit it a little bit more with the polisher and the compound. If that don't come out, we'll go to the next step, which is just replace the windshield. You know, but let's try to put some elbow grease into it. Let's not be lazy. This is what I'm using. Optical grade extreme compound, so it's V32. Got it from this car detailing place when I bought this whole kit with the polisher. So I went there, they didn't have, I was trying to get the citrus based stuff. I did see something on, I want to say it's possibly Instagram or maybe Facebook, but it's called like suds or something, so I can always try that. It says it removes water spots as well. So I'll hook that up. You know what, let's see if I got some tape over here. I got some thin tape. I got some thick. Got that thicky thick. See what this does compared to the bottom. You guys can see the difference in this. So these streaks are on the inside glass, so what we're looking for is just water spots. Not really seeing anything. Water spots here. Okay. Okay. Parked a little bit. It's like spots. Yeah. This might need to be replaced. Let me take that light off. Not as bad. You can see down here. Water spots. Up here. Not as bad.
Several days later.
So we see there's water spots. We'll do a quick one just to see how it works, and then probably wrap up the rest of it.
Yeah, let's see it.
Watch your some of that's on the inside, but kind of like how it started off. That's how it is. So it's a lot better. Feels smoother. Like you see that? That's actually on the inside. Let's see if we can crack that up. So yeah, that was on the inside. Needs a good cleaning. So, out of all the stuff I've used, I can actually come up here. That's where I didn't get the Sud Factory spotless glass water spot killer. I didn't get any in this area, but I got some here. Again, this is inside. So, from here to there, or from here up here to down here. So it's better. But I'm gonna try a different pad and see how that turns out. Alright. So hit it again with a different pad. And it actually came out a lot cleaner. Again, a lot of that's on the inside, it's just really dirty. But yeah. Take a couple more hits and it'll be good.